Today. So it's very sprightly, very flowing, like a bird flying through the sky. It's from Sleeping Beauty, and I really hope that you enjoy it. So the first thing we're starting with is en croisé. We're starting with some piqué, fouetté turns, and then attitude, attitude. We've got 6 sets of these, so we've got a chance to get them really nice. So we start with our right in front of our left in third position. We're en croisé on a diagonal to the audience. We're going to start by piqué, going onto our right foot, swishing through the left foot and turning the body out to the other direction in a nice arabesque behind. So it's like this. We go 1 and 2. And then we're going to do attitude, attitude. So back on our back leg, fall back onto the back leg, bring the front leg in attitude. Attitude, attitude. Same thing on this side. Step, piqué, swish through, arabesque, attitude, attitude. Time for some piqué fouettes. Arms are in first, then they're in a lovely open arabesque. Off we go, we go. 1 and 2, attitude, attitude. 1 and 2, attitude, attitude. 1 and 2, attitude, attitude. Nice and slow, attitude, attitude, lovely, attitude, attitude, and attitude, attitude. Wonderful. Then we're going step, coupé down, step, coupé down, step, coupé down. Right, the lovely squishy arms here, coupé through, coupé through, bourrée. Then, when we do the échappé, we've got our arms out to a wide low second. Échappé, échappé. Then, we've got our piqué swish through. We've got our coupé jump, hop, and then arabesque hop. For our arabesque hop, we want our arms up in a nice high V to show off our beautiful bird wings. So it's 1, 2, and up. After you've done those échappé, échappé, through here, up here, you're going to do a pas de bourrée, don't forget. So it's down, it goes pas de bourrée, making sure that you've got now the right in front again, because we're going to do 2 more rounds of the échappé. Échappé, échappé, through here, up, pas de bourrée. Échappé, échappé, through here, up, pas de bourrée. Really quick. Okay, we're here. We're up on our releve. We're going to go over to the left. The left foot's behind. So we've got left, arms come to the right like a little flap. Left coupé, right coupé, left coupé, right coupé, left coupé, bourrée, 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 chaîné, chaîné, and sauté arabesque. So basically jumping into an arabesque. Alright, so the last wee bit here. So we've done our coupé, 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 and then we've gone bourrée, 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 chaîné, chaîné, sauté arabesque. From our sauté arabesque, we're going to run in a circle, or walk, or take baby steps, depending how big your space is. My space isn't very big. So I'm going to run, float in a circle. Then we're over here, right is in front of the left. We're en croisé in this corner. We've got our arms like this, but they're going to go up into a V and then breathe like the bird's wings. So we're going to do some piqué turns. So that means we're stepping onto the right leg, bring the leg up in retiré, turn, and then another one. Times two, one chaîné, and then a nice, beautiful big arabesque or a salté arabesque if you prefer, and then a B plus at the end, or a big lunge if you prefer to be extra dramatic and you don't mind using your knees in that way. All right, so let's see how we go. We're going to go piqué up and breathe, up and breathe, chaîné, chaîné. Sorry you can't see my head, and piqué arabesque and B plus, or you might want to do all the way down to the ground.